Hey everyone, I'm Soham and in this video we'll learn how to manage and scale your App Engine resources on the Google Cloud platform. First, we'll go over the different scaling types like basic, manual, and automatic, and when to use them. We'll also look at how to manage instance classes to increase the memory and CPU available to each instance. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to apply different scaling types and instance classes by modifying your App Engine configuration. So why exactly should we scale? Every time we deploy our app on App Engine, it assigns a certain number of machines to handle all of the incoming requests. As more users start using our application, the load on each App Engine instance increases. If left unchecked, this can lead to an increased response time and error rate, which spells bad news for our users. Scaling our application can help improve our user experience by matching the incoming traffic with the provisioned hardware capability. Let's start by seeing how we can view the current number of instances and scaling type configured for our application. We can navigate to the App Engine versions dashboard to view the number of instances assigned to each app version that traffic is being routed to. We can view the configuration for more details. Our instance class in this case is F1 and our scaling type is automatic. Let's look at the instance class and scaling type in more detail. App Engine provides different instance classes to run your application. Each instance type comes with its own memory and CPU constraints. Selecting a larger instance type also leads to an increase in cost. So we should monitor our application's requirements and select an instance type accordingly. Your scaling type will also determine your instance type. For example, automatic scaling is only supported for F instance types. The scaling type determines how the number of instances are provisioned relative to the incoming traffic to your application. With manual scaling, the total number of instances are fixed, irrespective of the incoming traffic volume. Manual scaling is best suited for applications that are small scale and where the amount of traffic being received is predictable. If we want to accommodate a higher traffic volume, we need to change the configuration and increase the number of instances ourselves. Basic scaling provisions a new instance every time we receive a new incoming request, and there are no existing instances available to handle it. If an instance is idle for a certain amount of time, it is then deprovisioned. This means that as your request volume increases, the number of instances will increase as well. We can configure basic scaling by specifying its parameters, namely maximum instances, which is the upper limit on the number of instances that can be provisioned. This should be set to limit unforeseen costs in case of a large spike in traffic volume. Another parameter is idle timeout, which is the time after which the instance will shut down if it hasn't received any requests. Automatic scaling gives us a smarter way to configure how our instances scale compared to the basic scaling option. Instead of provisioning a new instance for every pending request, we can specify the performance requirements that we are looking for, and App Engine will adjust the number of instances to meet them. For example, we can set a maximum and minimum latency, which is the amount of time that a request waits before being served by an instance. We can also specify the CPU usage threshold as a percentage, beyond which new instances will be provisioned to handle incoming requests. Now let's look at how we can configure the instance class and scaling type in practice. All App Engine projects use an app.yaml file to read and apply the scaling configuration. If your App Engine project directory contains an app.yaml file, GCP will use it to configure your App Engine application settings. Every option configured here has a default, so even if you don't have app.yaml set, App Engine will choose a default set of options. The app.yaml file must be located in the root of our project directory. You can see its location here for a sample application. To get your current configuration, we can go to the configuration view on the versions page as seen in the previous section. You can copy these contents and paste them into a new app.yaml file in the root directory of your project. By default, we have automatic scaling as a scaling type and F1 as our instance type. We can change the scaling type and instance class based on our requirements. Let's take a look at a sample configuration for manual scaling. Here we changed our instance class to B1 and added the manual scaling type with one instance. Now we need to deploy our application with these new settings. We should run the gcloud command from the same directory where our app.yaml file is located. Once you deploy your application, you can view the configuration again to verify the scaling type and the instance class. You can view the documentation page that I've linked here to see more details about all the configuration parameters available. GCP's App Engine gives us a variety of configuration options for scaling your application. Some things we should consider when deciding which options to use are the scale and criticality of the application. That is, how important is it that requests are served as soon as possible and with minimal latency. Another thing that we should consider is cost. Provisioning more resources isn't free. There will always be a trade-off between performance and cost, and we need to decide an appropriate balance for our use case. We can monitor our application to get a better sense of these requirements and configure our application accordingly. For more information about App Engine and its features, you can see the official documentation page that I've linked in the description. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.